Assalamu alaikum students, how are you? Today our topic is how sound travels. Beta, when the drummer hits the drum, we don't have to put our ear on the drum skin to hear the beat. It is because sound can travel through the air. The sound is carried to our ears by vibrating molecules in the air. This is the drum and it is drum skin, and when the drummer hits the drum skin vibrates rapidly up and down. The vibrating drum skin makes the air molecules vibrate forward and backward. The molecules affect the molecules next to them, and in this way sound travel outwards. When the drum skin move upward, the air molecules are squashed together, and when the drum skin moves downward, the air molecules spread out. Within a split second, all the molecules will be vibrating, and we hear the sound when the air inside our ears start to vibrate our eardrums. Sound can only move when there is material medium to move through. Sound requires a material medium. Without material medium, sound cannot travel. Sound can travel through all the substance, whether they are liquids, solids or gases. Sound can travel anywhere where there are particles, and the more tightly particles are, the further the sound travel. In solids, the particles are vibrating on their fixed position in the framework, so sound travel fastest in the solids. However, sound cannot travel through the vacuum. It is because there is no material medium in the vacuum. In this diagram, we can see that this is a glass jar, and a speaker is hung inside the glass jar. The mouth of the speaker is fitted with tight fitting bung, and at the bottom of the glass jar there is a vacuum pump. Within the glass jar, the sound from the speaker can be heard quite clear. As the air is pumped out with the help of this vacuum pump, the sound grows quieter. Eventually no sound can be heard, and when the air is allowed to leak back into the jar, the sound becomes louder. But here there is dolphins communicate by sending out high-pitched squeaks and clicks which travel through the water. But clicks are the sound made by the dolphin, but a squeak means a short high-pitched noise. Next we have to do test yourself. Question number 1. Describe how we hear the sound when a drum is hit. Answer will start from this diagram and all that is written below this diagram. This diagram is very essential. Okay, from here to here. Question number 2. What evidence is there that sound travels through A. gases? The answer is we can hear sounds all around us. Part B. Liquids. Dolphins communicate by sending out high-pitched squeaks and clicks which travel through the water. Part C. Solids. We can hear someone knocking on the door and the sound of beating drum. Question number 3. Explain why sound cannot travel in a vacuum. The answer is sound can only move when there is a material to move through. Sound can travel through all substance, whether they are solids, liquids or gases. In fact, sound can pass anywhere there are particles, and the more tightly packed the particles are, the further the sound travels. However, sound cannot travel through a vacuum because there is no material medium in the vacuum. Thank you.